Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a vehicle that continues to bridge the gap between the compact hatchback and full-blown SUV categories. Let's dive into the complete review of its design, interior, performance, and price without missing a single detail. The first thing that catches your attention is the bold and refined exterior design of the 2025 Corolla Cross. Toyota has updated the front fascia slightly for this year, giving it a sharper, more athletic look with sleeker LED headlamps and a wider front grille that emphasizes its sporty personality. The sculpted lines along the sides give the car a dynamic and aerodynamic feel, while the integrated roof rails and new alloy wheel designs, available in 17 and 18-inch options, add to its practical crossover appeal. At the rear, updated LED tail lamps and a stronger bumper design give it a confident, modern presence on the road. The Corolla Cross maintains a balanced size, offering a compact footprint that's easy to maneuver while still delivering a raised stance and SUV practicality. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a refreshed and refined cabin. The 2025 Corolla Cross continues to prioritize user comfort and technology integration. The dashboard features a soft-touch design with refined trim materials that vary depending on the trim level, from basic cloth in the base model to premium leather in the higher trims. The central infotainment screen is now a 10.5-inch unit, responsive and easy to use, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard across all variants. The instrument cluster has also been upgraded to a fully digital 12.3-inch display in the upper trims, offering customizable views and clearer driving information. Seating comfort is excellent for both the driver and passengers. The front seats offer great lumbar support and are available with heating and power adjustable options. Rear seat passengers get generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable. Rear AC vents and USB-C charging ports come standard in most trims, which is a thoughtful touch. The cargo space is equally impressive, with a wide boot opening and a flat load floor, offering about 440 liters of space with the seats up, more than enough for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross offers two main powertrain choices, depending on the market. The first is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder petrol engine delivering 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a CVT automatic transmission. It's smooth, efficient, and ideal for everyday commuting with responsive acceleration and quiet highway cruising. The second option, available in hybrid variants, features Toyota's latest fifth-generation hybrid technology.